Hello viewers and welcome to Silicon India's 7th edition of Bangalore Real Estate Award 2020, the annual award that honors and recognizes the best projects and builders from across Bangalore. This year, we have taken our event virtual and are pleased to bring the 10 projects that made to their list this year. Let's welcome Anurag from Navanami Projects, who made to the list for their project Navanami Lavender. With thoughtfully designed 72 homes, the project has many facilities and amenities to offer. Let's hear from Anurag on winning the coveted award.
Hello everyone, hi, this is Anurag from Navanami Projects Private Limited. Firstly, on behalf of Team Navanami, I would like to thank Silicon India for recognizing Navanami Lavender as one of the most promising projects of the year 2020. Navanami Lavender project offers 72 thoughtfully designed 2 and 3 BHK homes. We have taken care of all aspects from the beginning in terms of design aesthetics, modern architecture, Vastu compliant homes, getting best floor carpet efficiency, well-designed landscape gardens, eco-sustainable aspects, even energy conservation technologies, be it the method of constructions, the methodology, everything has been taken care to deliver one of the best homes possible by our group to our beloved customers. This project is located off Thanisandra Main Road, which is definitely one of the best hotspots of North Bangalore. All the lifestyle necessity elements or the requirements could be IT parks, schools, colleges, hospitals, even the road connectivities to Bellary Road, easy access to airport, upcoming metro stations, all fall under 3 to 4 kilometer radius, not more than that. In fact, international schools are just walkable distance. In fact, one of the schools is just 100 meters away. All these features make this project a good product to invest, and also for the end users also it's a good home to invest. And as a group, Navanami Projects has completed 9 exciting years in real estate industry. We have delivered projects across Hyderabad and Bangalore. Ticket sizes ranging from 50 lakhs of apartments and up to 10 CR worth of villas also. And the villa project is called Krins. You can just Google it or log on to our website and check those projects. Lavender has been a second project in Bangalore. The first being Navanami Platinum, which has already been delivered and people are living. Happy customers are there. We got an extended happy customer family in Bangalore already. So the second one, which is Navanami Lavender, we are seeing exciting traction in terms of site visits and even sales. As I told you earlier, the floor efficiency plans are exciting. You get a lot of good carpet area to cherish, and the kind of all modern amenities are in place. This project comes with no common walls concept. You get rooftop solar panels, which would definitely help you to help the home buyer or the end user to save some money in terms of maintenance. And we are using all top-notch brands in terms of fixtures and the quality of materials, raw materials, what we are using. Our main agenda is to deliver a quality product within a given time period. And we are aggressively working towards launching new projects also in Bangalore. Third one would be a villa project towards Devanalli. We look forward for a lot of people who are planning to invest in an apartment or villas. Do log on to our website. That's navanami.com, so that you get all the details. And one more time, I would like to thank Silicon India, all other participants and the award winners also. Congratulations and good day.
I congratulate all the winners who have made to the list and wish them very best for their upcoming projects too. Silicon India is pleased and honored to screen and award such projects to help our readers in finding their dream home. We wish everyone best of luck.